Well, we're back at the cabin. I'm Steve.
I'm also Steve.
And I'm Arnold.
And that's Arnold. Well, we had an interesting day today. We all got up around 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, and Steve and Arnold went up to Steve's honey hole where he had his game camera set up. And I tried a new area. I looked on a map and I thought, oh, I'll go up behind Nita Lake. And anyway, at first light, I was in a mud pit and I was climbing the mountain and just getting sloppier and sloppier. And I tried to turn around because it was a little muddy. And we've got a picture of it here. I'll show you. There you go. Look at that. Stuck in the mud. And anyway, Steve.
Yeah. You still have mud on your phone, by the way. But yeah, so I get a phone call as I'm at my honey hole, and some dude I don't know from 100 Mile calls and says, "Yeah, your buddy's like stuck up the mountain somewhere, and I'm talking to him on the radio." And so I find out where he is. I'm like, okay, we'll pack up here and we'll head over. And yeah. We come back, ask him what he wants from McDonald's. He wasn't too happy with that. But yeah, we grabbed just a couple shovels and stuff to try to dig him out if we could. Luckily, I parked at the end of the road and walked in. The unfortunate part is he's like, oh yeah, I'm about a kilometer in. 3.5 kilometers almost. 3.3 is what we figured it'd be. And yeah, so me and Arnold walked up there. That's Arnold.
Hello.
And here's
another photo. We walk in there, and there's Steve stuck in the middle of the road. Every corner, I was just like, "Oh, please be here," and no, he wasn't. So, and it's so sloppy. It was disgusting. Yeah. My boots, which go up to my halfway up my calves, are getting almost sucked off my shoes. Even we saw moose tracks. Okay. The moose was smart enough to turn around and go back the other way. Steve was not. But, yeah, so we got up there, dickered around a little bit. Doug tried to get him to move. Not happening. So, anyways, tomorrow we're going to go buy tire chains and throw them on there and hopefully get them out. Because, what else do you do? That's not a cheap fix to pull that thing out of there.
Nope. Arnold, what was your experience with all that?
Oh, it was great. Yeah, I needed exercise, but I didn't need it all in one day. Yeah, it was a long hike up the worst road in the absolute Caribou. It's the absolute worst road. But it is what it is. We'll get you out tomorrow. We'll load up the quad with the chains and some rope and some 2x4s and a couple tie wraps or ratchet straps, and we'll go out. We'll get you out. Yeah. You'll be out tomorrow. We'll be hunting late morning.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, I'm Steve.
I'm also Steve.
And I'm Arnold. Just along for the ride.
Just what?
Just along for the ride.
There you go. Anyway, we're up at the cabin. Here's the inside, and nice and toasty warm. And we'll keep you in tune. Take care. Well, in the morning we went and got tire chains, and then Arnold and I went up to where the truck was stuck on the quad and just had a shovel and started digging out the tire well so we could get the chains on, and we did get out, or I did get out, and yeah, that's the end of that story. Anyway, follow for more.